Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana and today I'd like to present you my project with face detection and hand gesture recognition. At the beginning, let's see how it works. My project has two scenes. The start scene contains three sprites. This scene are used to demonstrate how face detection working. Most interesting sprite is headphones. Here we turn on the camera and then we place our sprite to the point where our program find the nose. This sprite is for text, and here we only changing the costumes. When we clicking on this button, our project switches the backdrop and we jump to the second scene. I have many sprites. I have a sprite that look like a backdrop, and I use it for manage the logic of my project. The code for this sprite is rather simple. Here I send messages for my track sprites. The main purpose of the track sprites is to find the correct market. You can see that on these sprites we have the same pictures as on titles. The code for each sprite are similar. So let's see the code of one track sprite. When we receive a message, we place our sprite to the correct point on the screen. Then we show it and begin dialogue with user. Then we wait and turn on the camera. Wait again and we detect the hand and then we send message to sprite cross this sprite, and then we turn off the camera. Then we analyze what hand gesture we recognize and begin the correct sequence of the steps for the sprite. If we find forward command, we will move our sprite only forward. At the end of code, we hide the dialog, turn off camera, hide our sprite, and replace it to the start position. Next group of sprites are the title of shops. And if the correct touches this sprite, we send message to our cross sprite here for hiding it. And then we began to stamp smiles on the screen. After that, we wait 1 second and clear the screen and replace our market title to the start position. Also, we switch the costume. I think the result is fine, and I hope you will like it. Bye bye.